Hello, my name is Harriet and I work for the customer success team here at Rated People. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of completing or updating your profile. It is important that your profile is complete and shows off everything you offer because it's what will convince homeowners to choose you. So let's get started. We're going to update a profile on the website. So if you're doing it on the app, the interface will look a little different, but the sections are basically the same. Firstly, make sure you're logged on to your Rated People account. Click on Web Profile in the middle of the navigation bar along the top of the page. Whatever you upload here will be visible to anyone that comes to the website and will appear in a Google search. You can use your profile as your company website. At the top right, you'll see a direct link which you can share with potential clients. Clicking this link will also give you a preview of what the homeowner will see. Having a profile picture, a cover picture and a short description of your company will really boost your chances of winning work. It will help you to gain homeowners' trust and they'll be more likely to invite you into their home. The first and most obvious starting point, your profile picture. It doesn't necessarily need to be a picture of yourself. It could be a company logo or a picture of your team. You can upload a picture by clicking on the Edit Photo button and then selecting a photo from your computer or phone. Your profile picture is one of the first things a homeowner will see. So if the photo is empty or unfriendly, they might be less inclined to choose you. The same goes for your cover photo. This would be a great spot for a picture of your whole team, your company van, or some of your best work. The next thing to add is your company description, where you can write a bit about your work experience and what your company does. Include here any extra qualifications or certificates that aren't listed on our site. It is good to mention your trade, your skills, and the areas you work, and even your experience. Try to sound professional but friendly so the homeowner has faith in you and your company. If you're new to the site, you can say that here and explain that is why you don't have any reviews yet. Be sure to avoid typos, and if you're not a confident English speaker, ask someone to read through your text. The next section is called Work Gallery. This is for you to show off your work. To add photos, click on the Add Photo button in the middle of the page and upload as many as you'd like from your computer or phone. Before and after shots are always a great idea. Try to take both shots from the same angle. Make sure you add a short sentence about the photo so you can explain what you've changed or even write about how happy the customer was. You can add photos of work in progress, with or without you or your team, or show off your tools and machinery, remembering to add descriptions and explanations when needed. Homeowners love to see clean work and how you will protect their property. If your work can be dangerous, for example, you work at height or with chemicals, you can also show pictures of you using the correct safety equipment for the task. Don't forget to show off your best finished work, completed to a high standard, but be sure to ask for the homeowner's permission when taking photographs of their homes. You can even include shots of a happy customer if they agreed to be on camera. And don't worry if you don't have all these photos right away. You can always come back to keep your gallery up to date. The next section lists the services you offer. Your primary trade has been pre-selected for you, usually during your sign-up call, but you can edit this list by ticking or unticking all the relevant options. If you train in something new or you have a skill outside of your primary trade, go through the services and select anything you're qualified for or offer, so you're matched with all the suitable jobs for you. Next up is your work area, represented visually on a map. You can drag the markers to edit your working area. Alternatively, you can enter your postcode and select a search radius. You do this by clicking on the Reset Area button and entering your postcode and desired radius. It is vital that the area covers everywhere you want to work, because otherwise you won't be matched with jobs in the right places. If the area is not big enough, then you might not get all the leads you could. But if the area is too big, then you might see leads that are too far for you to travel. You can update your work area as often as you like. Simply move the markers around to see more available leads. The next section is where you should include gas safe, Part P and safe contractor certificates. These should be pre-populated by your account manager, but if they are about to expire or you require a new certificate, you need to keep these up to date. Some of our jobs are only available if you have a gas safe certificate, so it is super important that you keep these up to date. By clicking on each certificate type, then clicking the Add Registration button, you will see a short form to fill in. Finally, if you're using the left-hand side menu bar, you'll see an option called Ask an Expert. This is where you can join our community of tradespeople and homeowners, and where you can share information and advice or ask your own questions. I hope this video has been helpful, but don't forget, if you need any extra support, you can always contact your account manager. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your new profile pages.